Say hi, Sampong. I think Sampong wants to get under someplace. She thinks there's a big storm coming. We still have to walk back to the car, so one way or another we'll get wet. Whoop. What'd you find? What you got, Mystique? Huh? Hey, what you got? You're just smelling nothing. Good girl. You wanna go meet these girls? Huh? You wanna go meet these girls? Who you? Come on, go. You go see? Oh, nice little water wall here. Nice. See, they put things in here. It's just, there's a lot of different items and types of items that they put into their parks and their malls, but they always seem to fit in. It's just the aesthetics of it. Yeah. Hey, even got a basketball court. Ooh, where you going? Where you going? Come here. Oh, it was starting to rain harder, so she had to get under cover. Her, not her. Come here, Mystique. Come here, baby. Come here. Oh, that's my girl. That's my girl. Hey, you want to take a picture? Hey, let's say hi. Say hi. Hi. Yep, everybody's ducking under the cover. Nobody wants to get wet. Hey, come here, come here, come here. Hey. There. What you think, Mystique, huh? Should we come back here every week, huh? Yeah, all these people. You want to go meet them, huh? You want to go meet the people? Good girl. Actually, that's the best she's acted around people that she didn't know for a long time. Usually she would go running up to them and scare them half to death. Oh, Mystique, that was one of her friends. You go say hi. Oh, that's my girl. Yeah. Oh. Hey, Sampong, you can let go.
Yeah.
You can let go.
Yeah.
You don't have to hold on. I got her. I got her. I think she thinks that Mystique is going to take off running, which she has a couple of times when she got outside the carport, but she always comes back. All I got to do is yell for her and she comes running back again. She's a good girl. But yeah, in case anybody's wondering, she is a 3-year-old. Well, she turned 3 on July 4th. She was born on the 4th of July 3 years ago, and she came to America, to Thailand with me from America, And since I trained her to be my service dog, she was allowed to be in the cabin the whole way of the plane, all 20 hours of flight. So she laid down at my feet between the seats, and she was perfect. She got more attention from the flight attendants than I did. Kids will be kids. You gotta go in there? No, there. Okay. Okay. You want it? Here. You want it? Okay. Yeah. See how she reacts to Sampone being on the leash. Oh, very good. Yeah. Training her to be on a leash was a pain in the butt because Huskies want to run. And all she wanted to do was pull against the leash. And she finally caught the hang of it, about 6 months before I actually moved to Thailand, which was a total blessing. And now she walks like a dream. She's in no hurry. She wants to smell everything. She wants to see everything. And if there's other dogs around, she wants to meet them. So, come. Good girl. Oh, stop. Yes, it rained. The pavement is wet. You don't have to sniff every puddle. Dogs will be dogs. Oh, that'll be a nice picture to send to her father and her sisters. Yeah, we're kind of headed out, so I'm going to cut this off. I hope you, oh God, look at my hair. I hope you enjoyed this walk through the park with us and got to see a little bit more of Mystique than just her running around in the carport. I'm going to try to start getting her out more. She needs it and she deserves it. She's such a good dog. So, love you all. Everybody have a peaceful day, and we will talk to you later. Finger Dave signing off one more time.